Lay me out on a stainless table, cut me open, make it clean. If love is just a sickness, then show me what it did to me. I labeled you the cause of death, but the blade was in my hand. I ignored every red flag just to say I had a chance. I stitched your name into my chest, cold obsession, honesty. This is a glass heart autopsy. Every fracture, every lie. I see my face in the damage. I can't hide behind goodbye. I black for you on purpose, missed a pay for loyalty. You didn't break me on your own. I helped carve the pieces out of me. I turned jealousy into truth, turned fear into a vow. I called control a compromise, and I paid for it now. I watched myself become a threat to everyone but you. I burned out all my exits just to make the fall come true. I swore I'd never be like this, then begged you not to leave. This is a glass heart autopsy. Every fracture, every lie. I see my face in the damage. I can't hide behind goodbye. I bled for you on purpose, missed a pay for loyalty. You didn't beg me on your own. I helped cut the pieces out of me. Cut deeper, don't look away. I need to say what I became. I called it love, I called it fate, but I chose this, I chose to stay. I confused devotion with disease. This is a glass heart autopsy, no innocence to save. I sharpened every memory, then paid you for the blame. I won't rewrite the years.